Entry number 7. Naghahali sa Libmanan, Camarines Sur, Colegio del Santísimo Rosario, MAPI Unit 1. Headed by the Troop Commander Anthony Peleses Paulino, John Leo Noblesa, S1, Aaron Cades, S2, Jolart Asibor, S3, Jiman Lim, S4, Majority Leader Liana Margaret Brioso, DLC Leader John Miguel Mol, Company Commander Arwin Pilumio, Company Exhaust Jarik Paul Diaz, First Battalion of the Boys Mark Anthony Aladen, Second Battalion Brigade Joby May Agtuca, MAPI Coordinators Mrs. Ima Riondanga, Major Trainer April Diane Pinaflor and Ronaldo Dawet, DLC Trainers Mary Ann Joy Burma and Arman Lagatos, MAPI Facilitator Mrs. Ima Riondanga, Principal Sister Melanie Donna. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 7 from Libmanan, Camarines Sur, Colegio del Santísimo Rosario.